Hey, welcome back. This is the Tempo Doctor. And in this video, I want to show you a couple of ways how you load the MIDI file into the program. So here's Studio One right here on the opening screen where you decide what you want to do. If you want to start a new song or you want to select a current project you've been working on. Over here, I have a few songs already tempo mapped out. So let's grab this MIDI file here. Don't Stop Believing. And then it's just as simple as just dragging it out to the screen here. And then it's going to ask, do you want to load the general MIDI sounds for this file? You hit yes. And then it opens it up. Now let's open this up a little bit here so we can see what's going on. Have to open up the tempo map here. There it is. Loaded it into the tempo timeline here. We turn on the metronome. We have that there. Or if we didn't want to use the metronome and we wanted to use our own special click sound, then we could do this. And add cowbell. That would allow us to play the click based off the MIDI notes that we put in here. And the other way to load the tempo map is what I demonstrated in my first video on Don't Stop Believing. You just grab the file from your file list and then you drag it up to the top there into the tempo section. And then there it is. From there, you just grab the song and drag it out onto the grid. Make sure it's all the way over. And there you go. That's two ways to load the tempo file.